Hello everyone, my name is Jim Rose and I work with a company called Computer Training Source here in Pleasanton, California. And for this little tip, one of my favorites for Microsoft Outlook is basically making it easy to reuse information. So whether it's your logo you're always putting into emails, or just a quick message, or a couple paragraphs, or 300 pages of information, you can actually select your information and then add it to what is called QuickParts. And then QuickParts can be easily dropped in at any point inside your email. Now, it's a great tool. You have to have HTML set up for this, which is what the standard is in Microsoft Outlook. So I'll show you how to do this. So in this example, we have this email. And let's say this is like a sales promotion that I like to send out to different customers. So I don't want to have to retype it or copy and paste it from another location. So what I can do is just select all the information by doing Control-A. I can, at this point, go over to the Insert tab up in the ribbon, move over here to QuickParts. Now, I've done a few of these here. Normally, if this is your first one, you're only going to get auto text and then Save Selection down here on the bottom. So I'm going to click on Save Selection to QuickPart Gallery, and it's going to pop up to this little dialog box. And to keep it simple, I literally just use a name, and I normally use at least 5 characters for the name. So I'm going to call this one, I don't know, let's say sales. Keep it at one word to make it a lot easier, and I'll explain how that works a little bit later on. Typically one word is the best thing to do, and at least have 5 letters in there. Okay, next, you don't even have to worry about the gallery, the categories, description. That's coming up in a later video. But for now, if you just want to create one of these, just simply give it a name, click OK. Okay, now, let me delete what I have here. Now there's multiple options for putting this information back in. Number one would be for me just to type in the name. As I type in sales, you'll notice it pops up right when I get to the 4th letter. It pops up and says, hey, do you want to throw in that item? I'm going to hit enter, and I just threw it in. All right, so now, most likely you're going to forget if you create multiples, you're going to end up forgetting what you put in. If that's the case, simply go back over to QuickParts on the Insert tab, and then you'll notice right over here you have the name of each of the items. So dashboard, Happy New Year, and as I cruise on down, should be my last one, or second to the last one. Oh, here it is actually, sales. So I'll let you know the name right above it. So I simply click on that, and I drop it in. So it's kind of nice. This reminds you of the name, and you can also use this to drop it in if you prefer. All right, that is the tip for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you.